Hi, this is Steve and welcome to Affiliate Marketing for Beginners. This is a brand new series that I'm putting together to show you how to go from $0 to $10,000 a month in affiliate marketing. Now, I've been doing this as a full-time living online from home for more than 20 years. So I'm going to show you step by step and break it down into bite-sized pieces so that you can have success in affiliate marketing too. Now, it may well be that you're absolutely brand new to affiliate marketing and have never ever tried this before, but it equally might be that you've tried affiliate marketing and not had any success or no great success. This video series is therefore for you, whether you are a brand new beginner or somebody who's tried and failed in the past. Now, each of the videos will be less than 10 minutes long, and this welcome video will only be about 5 minutes. So today we're just going to touch on the 5 things that you absolutely must have if you want to make money online. And today I'm not going to go into the details of why you need these things. That will be broken down into individual videos. So let's get started and talk about the 5 things that you're going to need to be successful in affiliate marketing. And before we do proceed, I've got to say right now as a disclaimer that if you don't have all of these 5 things in place before you get started, I can guarantee that you will fail, because I started doing this wrong, as have done many others. So if you get it right from the get-go, you will have success in affiliate marketing. So the first thing that you're going to need is your own domain name. As I say, we're not here today to discuss the reasons behind this. I'll touch on the details and reasons why you should have a domain name and your own domain name in the next video. So the first thing that you'll need is your own domain name. The second thing you'll need is an autoresponder service. This is an email service that will send out automatic emails for you and follow up with your prospects to get you more sales. The third thing you'll need is a lead capture page. You'll eventually need multiple lead capture pages if you're promoting multiple opportunities or multiple products. So you're definitely going to need a lead capture page. You'll then need something to promote. This sounds pretty obvious, but quite often people start affiliate marketing, or at least attempt to do affiliate marketing, and really don't know what to promote. So it's much better if we start the entire process off with all of these things in place already and safely with the knowledge in our minds of the exact product that we're going to promote when we start our affiliate marketing journey. And finally, you need a plan, a marketing plan, a method, a process to join all these pieces together. And that's what Affiliate Marketing for Beginners is all about. This video series will show you step by step how everything works and how you can build a successful affiliate marketing business online as you move through the steps that I'm about to show you. So if this is something that interests you, please do like and subscribe to the channel. Hit the bell notification so that you get notified when I publish new videos. And that's all I've got for you today. This is part 1 in the series. Look out for part 2 and I'll catch you in the next video. Thanks very much for watching.